Hello again, Assalamu alaikum. This is the first part of Introduction to Vectors, and I hope you really go to trigonometry to study this lesson 5.4. We will use it some time this week. Okay, so our lesson about operation with vectors today will take how to add, how to subtract. Now we finished some of these vocabs. We finished some of them. We didn't finish all. We need to continue. Now, inshallah, we will start with the homework which we took it last time. And I told you have to find the resultant using triangle or parallelogram. It's up to you which one to use. So I will start with the first one. Did you solve it? Good. I'll start with the first one. I will drag this B, so the initial part of B will be with the initial point of A. This means I am going to use the parallelogram way. It's up to you. For me, I find this one is easier here. So, continue the parallelogram. Of course, you are going to use a ruler. And then this is our resultants here. I'll make it clear. This is the resultant. Use a ruler, please, to find what is the value of this. Okay, now this one, because it's clear that they are so close to each other, so I can do it here. Maybe it's easier in this way, and the resultant will be like this. And again, use the ruler to find what is the magnitude of this R. Did you solve it? Good. So let's start our lesson with multiplying vectors by a scalar. This means we are multiplying our vector v with a scalar k. K is a scalar. This means that k is a number and v is a vector. We know the difference between a scalar and vector now, right? If we multiply v with k and k is positive, we will have another vector with the same direction of v. But if you multiply it with k and k is negative, you will have the same vector or another vector with the opposite direction. That's only the difference between if it's positive or negative. For example, if I have A, this is A, it's going up, this is a vector, and I want to multiply A with 3. 3 is a K. And you notice that 3 is positive. So I need to find 3A. I will have, for example, if this is 2, the value of A is 2, the magnitude of A is 2, the new vector we will have 3 times 2, good, 6. So the magnitude of it will be 6. This is a 3A. Do you notice that we have the same direction here, up and up, because K is positive? Is it clear? What if I want to multiply A with negative 3? Can you tell me what's the magnitude, the new one? It's 6. 3 times 2, 6. Why I didn't put negative? Excellent, because this is a magnitude. And the magnitude is a distance, a length, and it will not be negative. What is the negative one here? What does this affect? Yes, we will change only the direction of V or A. We will take the opposite direction. This means I'll draw the same, but I will start down, 1 minute. Let me make it clear, okay. So, 3, 8, 6 again like the previous one, but with different direction. Can you see the difference now? This we call it negative 3A. The vector is negative 3. The negative sign only for the direction, not for the magnitude. Okay, let's take this exercise. First, we want to find A plus B graphically. A plus B. This is A and this is B. I told you you can drag this B here. So you will have it here, the initial point here with the terminal point here, and then you can find the resultant. That's exactly what we have here. And be careful with the measures. You can use a ruler, and this is R, A plus B. R, which A plus B. Okay? Let's find A minus B. Again, we have a B minus, it means just find the opposite direction. This means that it will not go up, it will go down. This is the opposite direction, negative B. So since it's negative, I will drag it down here. So I can draw it here. And then this is my resultant. Be careful with the measures, please. I don't have a ruler, you have one. And it will be here. This is the resultant, which A minus B. How is it now? Don't forget to rewrite beta. It will be A plus negative B, if you want. Okay? So, can you check now the difference between A plus B and A minus B? Do you see the huge difference between them? We're just changing the direction of B. Of course, the resultant will be different. What if we have this equation and I want you to try to solve it alone? I'll give you 1 minute. This is your classwork. Draw a vector diagram of A minus 3B. Finish. Excellent. Let's start. This is A. I will not change it because it's not changing, it's A. The only thing now, we have plus minus 3B. I am rewriting. So this means that we are multiplying B with negative 3. Negative 3 means the negative sign. It means that direction will change. We'll go to the opposite direction. And the 3, the magnitude will change. Suppose this is 2. When you multiply it with negative 3, it will be 6. Why not negative 6? Excellent. The magnitude is positive, but the direction is the opposite. This is going up. If you notice here, it's going down. How is it? Okay, the last step now, we want to drag one of them to stick with the other. So I can drag this A. I will put it here. So the initial here with the terminal point, and this is A. This is A again, don't forget. This is A minus 3B. It's just like as simple as it is. Okay, so this is the question. This is the answer. What if I have numbers now here? I have A as a vector. It has a magnitude 2.43 and the dimension is 2. The direction is north, and we have B as a vector with magnitude equals 7.74 kilometer, and again the direction is north. These are my two vectors. Can you see this is A? It's going up, this means north. And B going up again because it's north. Can you tell me why I draw B greater than A? Because the magnitude here is greater. This is 7 and this is 2 point something. Okay? So use a ruler again. We want to find now A minus B. This means A plus negative B. Do you remember? Again, A plus negative B. So I am changing the direction of B only. This is B. I will change the direction. I will start from here. This is A. B going down. Can you tell me what's the difference between them now? The difference, exactly. This is R, the difference between them. R, this pink vector here. Okay. So if you put in the calculator, you have A at the beginning, so 2.43 minus 7.74. If you put it in the calculator, you will have negative 531. But for me, I can't put negative. Can you tell me why? Excellent. I can't put negative because this is a magnitude, and the magnitude is not negative. The only thing for the negative that it's going south. South means down. Why it's not going up? Excellent, because B is greater than A. B is 7 and A is 2. So it will go with the direction of the biggest one. The same here. The same with B minus A, which B plus negative A. sorry, negative A, 1 minute. Negative A, okay, don't bring your mobile here. How many times we said that? Oops, it's my mobile. Okay. So, this is the resultant here. 1 minute, where's the pen? This is R, so 7 minus 2.3, 2.4, the answer is 5.31. It's going north, means going up, because again, B is greater and it will go to the direction of the greatest one. Now, this is your homework. Before you start the homework, I have to tell you there is a trick here. We put the answer, but I want you to check if that is the correct answer or no. Okay? Now, that's it for today. I send assignment on online resources. You can go to the portal and you can find the assignment, solve it, and send it back to me by the end of this week. That's it, and thank you so much.